Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best security cameras of 2025. Perfect for keeping your home safe with no subscription fees, solar power options, and 4K crystal clear recording. I'll go over each camera's features, pros and cons, and who it's best for, so you can choose the right one for your home security needs. Links to all the cameras are in the description below. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AOSU Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless. The AOSU 2Cam kit is a wireless, solar-powered system designed for easy setup. It comes with 2K resolution, 360-degree pan and tilt, auto-tracking, and color night vision. Works with both 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi. This is one of the most user-friendly setups out there. Installation is quick, and the solar panel means you don't need to worry about recharging. The 360-degree rotation with auto-tracking ensures no blind spots, and the 2K clarity gives you detailed video both day and night. Pros: no subscription fees, solar-powered for zero maintenance, 2K resolution with color night vision, auto-tracking for moving objects, works on both 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi. Anyone looking for a budget-friendly, reliable solar camera system without monthly fees. Number 2. eufy Security SoloCam 340. The eufy SoloCam 340 is a solar-powered camera with 360-degree pan and tilt, no monthly subscription, and compatibility with the Homebase S380. eufy is known for privacy-first security cameras. The SoloCam 340 delivers sharp video quality, easy mobile control, and no blind spots thanks to its full rotation. It's powered by the sun, making it hassle-free for long-term use. Pros: solar-powered with continuous charge, full 360-degree coverage, crisp video quality, no monthly fee, works seamlessly with Homebase. Homeowners who want a reliable single-camera setup with no ongoing costs. Number 3. SOLIOM 5-megapixel security cameras. The SOLIOM 4Cam pack offers 5-megapixel resolution, solar charging, 360-degree auto-tracking, 3K color night vision, and dual-band Wi-Fi support. With 4 cameras in the kit, this is ideal for full home coverage. The 3K color night vision is a step up from standard 1080p, providing extra clarity in low light. Plus, auto-tracking ensures you never miss suspicious activity. Pros: 4-camera bundle covers more area, solar-powered low maintenance, 3K color night vision, works with both 2.4 and 5G routers, affordable compared to similar kits. Families or businesses needing a complete outdoor security system without extra monthly fees. Number 4. Hiseeu Solar Camera Kit. The Hiseeu Solar Camera Kit includes 4 cameras, 4-megapixel resolution, 360-degree viewing, 1 terabyte local recording, and solar-powered operation. This system stands out because it comes with a massive 1 terabyte HDD for local recording, meaning you won't need cloud storage. The solar design keeps it running continuously, while the 360-degree coverage ensures no blind spots. Pros: 4 cameras for total coverage, built-in 1 terabyte local recording, solar power eliminates charging hassle, dual-band Wi-Fi compatibility, color night vision. Those who want a serious security upgrade with local storage and long-term reliability. Number 5. eufy Security eufyCam S330. The eufyCam S330, or eufyCam 3, is a 4-cam kit with 4K Ultra HD recording, integrated solar panels, AI face recognition, and expandable local storage. This is one of the most advanced home security systems in 2025. With 4K clarity, spotlights, and AI-powered recognition, it offers next-level protection. The expandable local storage means you'll never run out of space, and the solar panels keep it running effortlessly. Pros: stunning 4K Ultra HD video, AI face recognition, 4 cameras included, integrated solar panels, no monthly subscription fees. Homeowners looking for the ultimate all-in-one security solution with cutting-edge AI features. So, there you have it. The top 5 best security cameras in 2025. If you want something budget-friendly and simple, go with the AOSU 2Cam kit. For a powerful single-camera option, the eufy SoloCam 340 is excellent. If you need complete home coverage, the SOLIOM 4Cam pack or Hiseeu Solar Kit are fantastic choices. And if you want the absolute best with 4K and AI face recognition, nothing beats the eufyCam S330. Which one would you choose for your home? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for the latest prices. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.